Hey there everyone, in this video I want to show you how to unlock your Galaxy Note 8 from T-Mobile. So maybe you have a Note 8 from T-Mobile and you want to be able to unlock it to use it overseas and with other carriers in other countries, or you just want to have it unlocked to have the freedom to use it with any carrier that you choose to use it with. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to unlock it. Please give this video a like and share this video if it helps you out. It really helps us out. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to show you how to unlock it. So to unlock your Note 8 from T-Mobile, you're going to go into the T-Mobile folder. Go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi. Once you're connected to Wi-Fi, open up this device unlock app. Usually new T-Mobile phones have the device unlock app. So this is the first thing you're going to try to see if it unlocks. Here you're going to select permanent unlock. If your phone is completely paid off, it's not in contract, and you've used it with the service for more than 3 months, I believe, you should be able to unlock it. It should say unlock success here. But if it doesn't, in this case, unlock failed, we also have a way to unlock it as well. There's going to be a link down below in the description that's going to take you to this page right here, which is what I use to unlock my T-Mobile Note 8s. It's pretty quick and super inexpensive. As you can see, it's only $20. All right, so you're only going to need 4 things. You're going to need, number 1, a good internet connection, which you should have if you're viewing this right now. Number 2, you're going to need your data cable. So you're going to need the cable that came with your phone, the USB and USB Type-C cable to connect this side to the phone and this side to the computer. Number 3, you're going to need a Windows PC. So you can't do this on a Mac, only with a Windows computer. And number 4, you're going to need to download a program called TeamViewer, and I'm going to have the link in the description down below where you can download TeamViewer. So how this works is, you're going to go ahead and click on the link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page. You're going to go ahead and order the service here, buy now, and they should respond to you either instantly up to 12 hours it can take. So once they respond to you, it's pretty simple. All you're going to have to do is connect your phone to the computer. You're going to open up the TeamViewer program, and they're going to walk you through the entire process, which takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Because through the TeamViewer program, they're able to connect their computer to your phone and remotely unlock it. And it's a factory unlock. It's going to be unlocked forever. And like I said, I used this service plenty of times, and it works excellent. The only thing to keep in mind is this isn't going to remove your device from a blacklist if it is blacklisted. So, if it's reported lost or stolen, it's in a blacklist. And this is not going to remove that. This is just going to unlock it so that you can use it with any carrier that you choose to use it with. All right, everyone. Also, good note here is this isn't just for the Note 8. This is for, most of the new Samsungs, which come with that unlock app. As you can see here, S9, S9 Plus, S8, Note, S7. All right, so this is an excellent method that I use, and I hope this helps you guys out. I'll see you around in the next video. Peace.